Yesterday we left off the discussion at triple warmer 4, so today we'll start with triple warmer 5. Its location is too soon proximal to the dorsal wrist joint space or the dorsal wrist crease between the radius and the ulna. Triple warmer 5 is the luau connecting point of the triple warmer. On the opposite side of this point is pericardium 6. These are both the luau connecting points. The triple warmer 5 is used to assist extension movement of the wrists and fingers, while pericardium 6 is used for contraction of wrist and fingers. Both triple warmer 3 and triple warmer 5 are commonly used in the treatment of deafness. Triple warmer 5, especially for blocked feeling in the ears. Being the low connecting point of a yang meridian, it has the ability to sedate the yin and increase the yang at the same time. Next is triple warmer 6. It is located three-tune proximal to the dorsal wrist joint space or the dorsal wrist crease in a depression between the radius and the ulna, radial to the tendon of the extensor digitorum communis muscle. It is a symptomatic point for constipation. It's also used against acute side headache or neck pain with sedation. This is the fire point and the house element point of the meridian, and therefore can be used for tonification and sedation. Next is triple warmer 7. It is located three-tune proximal to the dorsal wrist joint space and 0.5 tune ulnar to the center of the forearm, closer to the ulnar border. It is the cleft point used in acute ear infection or deafness because of the proximity of the meridian to the ear. In children with ear infections, kidney sedation is contraindicated, and thus triple warmer 7 is the point of choice. Triple warmer 6 and triple warmer 8 are used with sedation when there is acute pain in the gallbladder meridian. Since both meridians have the same polarity of energy, sedating one meridian works for the other. Also, a triple warmer is the sun organ of the gallbladder. Sedating the sun causes sedation of the mother organ too. Triple warmer 8. It is four-tune proximal to the dorsal wrist joint space between the radius and the ulna, radial to the tendon of the extensor digitorum communis muscle. It's an excellent point in the thoracic pain on the side and flanks. Triple warmer 10 is on the lateral aspect of the upper arm with the elbow flexed at a right angle. The point is located in a depression approximately 1 tune proximal to the olecranon. The sedation point and the earth point of the meridian. Sedating triple warmer is one way to sedate the yang of the meridian mainly, and also for sedating the yang of the fire element and that of the entire body.